Hello class 8, all well? See children, motivation gets you started, okay? But discipline keeps you growing. That's the law of consistency. It doesn't matter how talented you are. It doesn't matter how many opportunities you receive. If you want to grow, consistency is the key. So with this beautiful thought in our mind, let's start today's class. In my previous video, in my previous class, I taught you about the parts of speech, noun and kinds of noun. I taught you that what role the parts of speech play in our life or in spoken English, in spoken language. And these parts of speech make our language beautiful and correct. Same with noun. You must be knowing noun very well, as I have been teaching you noun for last 5-6 years. Okay, you know noun very well. Kinds of noun, we have done so far 3 kinds of noun, that is common noun, proper noun and collective noun. You might have understood them well, you might have learned them well, okay? But still, if you have any problem related to them, related to understand all these nouns, please mail me. Put up your queries so that even I could come to know what your problems are. Clear? Now in this video, I'll teach you about the rest of the nouns. Clear? And the case of the noun. That is very new thing for you. So I expect that you should pay attention on each and every word. Okay? So that you can get them well. Clear children? And in this video, I'll teach you about the possessive case also. Okay? What is the role of apostrophe S? So please, without wasting much time, let's start our class. Clear? Now let me teach you children about material noun. A noun of material denotes the matter or substance of which things are made of, as gold, silver, iron, glass, stone, cotton. For example, ornaments are made of gold and silver. Second, clothes are made of cotton. In these 2 sentences, you can see gold, silver and cotton are material noun. Now see children, abstract noun. Now look at the few sentences. Honesty is the best policy. Okay? Childhood is a blessing. And number 3rd, that is, see the next example. I am afraid of darkness and you are my weakness. Can you find any nouns here? Any of the nouns? No. But see here you can find, if carefully you can see, there are many nouns like honesty, childhood, darkness and weakness. They are abstract nouns. Okay? Honesty, they are all qualities. They do not name any person, animal or thing. They name qualities, ideas or state, as honesty is the quality. Childhood is the state. Clear? So these are called abstract nouns. So nouns that refer to ideas, feelings or thoughts are known as abstract nouns. Clear children? See, we can't touch and see them. These are the feelings. They can only be felt. And most of the abstract nouns are uncountable and are used in singular form, like equality, childhood, happiness, unity, weakness. So these all qualities, we can only feel them. We can't see them. Clear? So abstract nouns are the nouns that refer to an abstract object such as quality, state, feeling or action. Now let us do countable and uncountable nouns. Clear children? Most nouns in English are countable and we can put a number before them, like 2 tables, 1 fridge, 4 chairs. Okay? Most nouns in English are countable. We can put a number before them, okay? And we can count them easily. Clear? Suppose 1 table, 4 tables. Clear? It can be counted. They can be counted. Like, see, in this room, there is 1 fridge in the room. There are 4 chairs and there are 2 lamps on the wall. It means we have counted them. They are easy to count. But some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have no plural form. We cannot say luggage, 1 luggage, 2 luggages. Not like this. Clear? Luggage, paper and furnitures. Some nouns like water. We can say some water, a little water and much water. We cannot say give me 1 water, but we can say give me some water. Like there is some water in the jug. There is a little water in the jug. Or we can say there is much water in the jug. Now with luggage what we can put? What we can say? Not and nothing else, but some luggage, some paper, some furniture. Clear? Some paper, some luggage and some furniture. Not a furniture, not an paper, not a paper. We cannot put like this. And give me some cheese, please. So with cheese we can put some. There are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. Like we can measure words or counters to count the uncountable nouns. Clear, children? Children, before teaching you about the cases of noun, I would like to tell you about the direct object and indirect object. What are direct and indirect objects? Clear? See the example. Sohan gave Hari a book. This sentence can be written in another way also. Like Sohan gave a book to Hari. Now in this sentence we can find 2 objects. Okay, one is Hari and one is book. But how to find direct or indirect object? In order to get to know about direct object, we should ask with the word what. Okay, Sohan gave what to Hari? A book. Okay, and Sohan gave a book to whom? To Hari. So by putting what and whom we can get the 2 objects. Now come to nominative or subjective case. When a noun or pronoun is used as the subject of verb, it is said to be in the nominative or subjective case. This is the very first case of noun. Okay? For example, Ram rang the bell. So in order to find the nominative, okay, object or the nominative case, we will put a question with who. Okay, who rang the bell? Who rang the bell? Ram. What? Ram rang bell. So in order to get to know about the nominative, nominative or subjective case, we will put the question or we will ask the question with who or what before the verb. Clear, children? Now come to accusative or objective case. Objective case is also said accusative case. Means when a noun or pronoun is used as the object of the verb, it is said to be the objective or accusative case. Clear? I told you that this can be said as an objective or an accusative case. For example, the horse kicked the boy. In order to find accusative or objective case, put whom or what. Means the horse kicked whom? Or the horse kicked the boy, you get the answer. Or put what? What the horse kicked, or whom the horse kicked. So, and you should put whom or what before the verb. What is verb here? What is the verb here? That is kicked. What is the noun here? The horse. Okay. So, in order to get to know about this, we put whom or what. Now come to accusative after preposition. A noun which comes after preposition, that is called accusative. How to use preposition after accusative case? A noun which comes after preposition. For example, the book is on the table. Clear? So the book is here noun. Okay. On is what? Preposition. Okay. And table is again noun. So here we can say accusative case after preposition means where is the preposition? On. And where it is? The book. It is after the book. Now come to dative case. Though this is not very common case, but at least we should know about it. When a noun or pronoun is used as the indirect object of a verb or preposition is called dative case. Like Sohan gave him a ball. Okay. Sohan gave him. Here him refers to dative case. Clear? Sohan gave him a ball. Whom Sohan gave a ball? Sohan gave him a ball. So in order to know about the dative case, this example can be set, okay, or can be given. Clear? Now come to possessive case, or it is also called genitive case. Clear? Possessive case is used to denote ownership, belongings, possession, relation, or authority. Clear? Or authority. It is also used to denote authorship, origin, and kind, etc. For example, Shakespeare's play. Whose play? It is always, symbolized, or it is always shown by putting apostrophe S. Clear, children? Like President's speech. Whose speech? President's speech. After president, we put apostrophe S so that we could come to know whose speech. Okay, that is President's speech. Then Mr. Gupta's house and children's playground. Now, how to form the possessive case? See, it is formed by adding apostrophe S to the noun, as Sita's pen. If you find a pen and if you want to ask whose pen is this, then somebody would say that it is Sita's pen. Ram's book. Whose book? Ram's book. The letter apostrophe S is omitted with plural number, but when we get any plural word, then it is not there, it is omitted. And also when too many hissing sound come together. Hissing sound means with the word which ends with S. Okay. Plural number, girls hostel. Like it is not only one girls hostel. Okay. It is the hostel belongs to many girls. So it is girls hostel. Then it comes after S. Boys hostel. Clear? And hissing sound means Jesus' sake. We cannot say Jesus's. We put Jesus and then apostrophe and S. That is wrong. After Jesus, because it ends with S. Sake. Okay. Justice sake. As this word ends with C. S word. Clear? C. Though sound S it is giving. So apostrophe will come after S sound. Okay. Justice sake. So and for now is for non-living thing. That was for the living thing. Now for non-living things, it is formed like this. We cannot put apostrophe S in non-living thing. Like the leg of the chair, then it is not the chair's leg. We cannot put apostrophe S. We will say that the leg of the chair. The cover of the book, it is not the book's cover. we will say always like the cover of the book. Clear? But apostrophe s is used with personified objects. Clear? Like beauty is called when non-living things are compared to the living things, then it is said personification. You must be knowing in detail when you will go to class 9th. Okay, so example like duty's call, death's door, fortune's favor. So we will put apostrophe s when we with the personified objects. Personification, you came to know. What do you mean by personification? So you have come to know about that for non-living thing we cannot put, or we do not put apostrophe s. Clear? But for living things we have to put apostrophe s in order to show its possession, its ownership, its belongings. Okay, you should know what do you mean by apostrophe s. And the other important uses of this possessive case is also used to denote time, weight, or space, like a week's holiday, a pound's weight, a foot's length, and a year's time.